This is the best coconut rice recipe, no cap. And this is the kind you want to be serving your friends and family this festive season. Can you see the chicken? Oh my god. Full of flavor, so tasty, so yummy. And the rice, the flavor, the aroma, the taste is out of this world. And I'm glad to share that with you today. So these are the ingredients, basic ingredients we need. Of course, the coconuts, some oil, some vegetables, some chicken, and rice. I'm going to start by seasoning the chicken with my favorite seasonings. And once I'm done doing that, I'm going to leave that to marinate for about 30 minutes while I prep other ingredients. Hi, Yellow TV fam. Welcome back to the channel. It's good to have you here as I bring your way yummy and delicious Christmas recipes that you need to up your cooking game this festive season. And if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. My name is Faith, and here we explore delicacies of food. And this Christmas, we're bringing you yummy and delicious delicacies. So now I'm going ahead to blend my coconuts. It's been cleaned. If you don't know how to crack a coconut and clean it, I'll save that for a different video. But right now, I'm just going to sieve out the blended coconut. If you're using the already processed one, the canned coconut milk, you can skip this part. But I advise that you use this fresh coconut. The flavor, the aroma is totally different. And trust me, I've tried both of them. And coming from who has tried both, this is the best anytime, any day. So yeah, you want to use the fresh coconut milk process yourself for this yummy recipe. Now that the coconut milk is ready, we set it aside. This coconut meat is also useful. Do not discard it. You can add that to your baking or even use it to make swallow. Now I'm going ahead to chop the garlic, ginger, and some onions. I also process my peppers, the tomatoes, and a little onion and blend everything together. I'm also going to add some crayfish and blend them together. If you're not a fan of crayfish, you can skip it or replace that with dried fish, whichever one is fine. Even if you don't have dried fish, your recipe will still turn out perfectly. Now I've added some vegetable oil to my pot. I'm just going to transfer the chicken and pan fry it for a few minutes side by side. I'm covering it because I want it to release some of its juice into the oil because I wouldn't be boiling the chicken. This way, you're going to have a very flavorful oil that will be used as the base to cook your food. I'm just turning it over so it can cook lightly on the other side. While that is going on, I'm also prepping my vegetables, some carrots and some bell peppers. I have red and green already chopped. Also to this recipe, I'm going to be adding some fresh parsley. We need that intense flavor that this rice will have. See, this Christmas is all about doing the most. It's all about going extra. It's all about wowing your friends, wowing your family. Now that I've taken out the chicken, you can see the released stock and how the oil has turned out. It's so flavorful. I'm going ahead to saute my onions, garlic, and ginger for a few minutes. Once that is done, I'm also going with the pepper blend, tomato mix, and some bay leaf and rosemary. Give it a good fry for a few minutes. I'm going in with some chicken bouillon and some Maggi seasoning. Once that has fried nicely, I'm going in now with the coconut milk, which is the star of our dish. Can you see how milky the pot is? I'm not adding the washed basmati rice. Note it's not parboiled, it was simply just washed with warm water and salt. We give it a good mix, a good mix, cover it on medium low heat and allow it to cook. Can you see how nicely this is boiling? The aroma, the flavor, oh my goodness. I don't even want to talk about the taste. A word of advice, if you are making this recipe, ensure that you're cooking a lot of it. Ensure that you're cooking a lot of it because this is the one that your own plate will be taken away from you because of how yummy and delicious this recipe is. Now that it's done, I'm adding the stir-fried vegetables and I'm going to give everything a good mix. Just look at how good this rice is looking. I mean, it's looking yummy, it's looking delicious. We did not add extra water to this. It was the milk extracted from our coconut that we've used to cook this rice. If you have neighbors, they'll be wondering what is happening. Is it only that you're celebrating Christmas? Now to finish up, it's some parsley that has been added. We're giving it now a good mix. It's not giving Christmas Christmas. Look at the beautiful colors. And I bet you that even the tastes, oh my goodness, the taste is out of this world. And you absolutely need to try out this recipe. It's now time to serve and enjoy. Serving with the air fried chicken. Look at how juicy and yummy it's looking. And as well, some air fried corn by the side. And this is the food to present, to serve your guests. If you're not served this kind of coconut rice, just say I pass. Anyways, don't be rude. You can also enjoy it and try out Yayilo's recipe. Gosh, it's the chicken for me. No, it's the coconut rice for me. No, it's the presentation for me. Everything check. Thank you guys for watching. Till I come your way again with yummy Christmas recipes. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications. We are here for you this Christmas. Bye.